Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by ensuring Node.js 14 Plus and npm are installed. You need the runtime now. Create a project folder, run npm init and install Node Cron with npm inode cron. Once installed, require or import the module at the top of your file so it's ready. Make sure to keep a simple file structure, index.js for the cron and a separate module for the job logic. This immediate setup gets you into coding rather than configuring. Once done with setup, define a cron expression that matches your timing needs and validate it. Create a function for the task, include error handling, and make it async if you call APIs or DBs. Then schedule the job via node cron. Schedule expression async equals await my task. Also, expose start and stop controls so you can pause jobs during maintenance. Make sure to log start/finish times and catch errors to prevent silent failures. To complete deployment, run your node process under PM2 or systemd so jobs persist and auto-restart on crashes. Once live, add structured logs and basic metrics so you can confirm runs, rotate logs to avoid disk issues. If you use multiple instances, ensure only one runs the job by implementing a distributed lock or leader election. If the job misfires, check cron expression, server time zone settings, and whether concurrent processes create duplicates. That single
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.